Neha Kakkar's pregnancy has broken 3 records. Neha Kakkar took the internet into storm with her post on Instagram that she shared on Friday morning. In that picture, Neha Kakkar and her husband Rohan Preet Singh can be seen cradling her baby bump. Well, reports are suggesting that the image, which was just posted for a publicity stunt, might have broken some records. If the reports are to be believed, then that image of Neha and Rohan have broken 3 major records. Let us have a look at the records that got broken by the image. Maximum like in record time. Well, Virat Kohli and Anushka Sharma's post where they announced about the pregnancy gained huge number of likes. But this image of Neha Kakkar has left that image far behind and has gained more than 1 million likes within just 3 hours. Yes, within just 3 hours, people showed so much love towards Neha Kakkar's image. She even left behind Kareena Kapoor's image where she flaunted her baby bump recently. Bebo recently posted an image of her wearing a Puma's pink tracksuit and was flaunting her baby bump. That image has gained more than 1 million likes after few days of posting it. Whereas the singing sensation of Bollywood crossed it within 3 hours only. Maximum comments in record time. Yes, this image has broken records from the perspective of comments too. This image has gained more than 34,000 comments within just a span of 3 hours only. Whereas the baby bump flaunting image Kareena has garnered around 9,000 comments only within few days. And this proves that what will happen after few days with the numbers of comments of this post. Most hyped pregnancy. International celeb like Kim Kardashian Beyonce tops the list of most hyped pregnancy. Bollywood diva Kareena Kapoor ranks third in the list of most hyped pregnancy. But looks like singing sensation of Bollywood, Neha Kakkar will leave everyone far behind when she will be pregnant actually. Because her post of fake pregnancy has created a huge hype on the internet, which clearly depicts what will happen when she will be really pregnant. What are your thoughts? Share with us in the comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates from Bollywood.